Do you know that native speakers use phrasal verbs in almost every single sentence? If you don't know these, you might sound too formal or even a little robotic. So today, I'm going to teach you 5 phrasal verbs that will instantly make you sound more natural. Let's get started. Number 1, give up. This means to stop trying or to quit something. For example, I wanted to learn guitar, but I gave up after 2 weeks. Simple, right? You'll hear this one everywhere. Number 2, look forward to. This means you're excited about something in the future. For example, I look forward to seeing you next week. Quick tip: after to, you need a verb with ing, not I look forward to see you, but I look forward to seeing you. Number 3, run into. This means to meet someone by chance, not planned. For example, I ran into my old teacher at the supermarket yesterday. Isn't that a fun one? You didn't plan it, it just happened. Number 4, come up with. This means to think of an idea or a plan. For example, she came up with a great idea for the project. You'll hear this a lot in business meetings and at school. And number 5, put off. This means to delay something, to do it later. For example, don't put off your homework until the last minute. I think we're all guilty of this one sometimes, right? Okay, now let's practice. I'll give you a sentence and you try to finish it in your head. Or better, say it out loud. Ready? Number 1, I really seeing my family this weekend. Did you say look forward to? Great job. Number 2, yesterday, an old friend at the coffee shop. Yes, ran into. Perfect. Here's my tip for you. Don't try to memorize 50 phrasal verbs at once. Pick 5, like the ones today, and use them this week. Put them in a sentence about your own life. Say them out loud. Your brain remembers things you actually use, not just things you read. So quick recap: give up, look forward to, run into, come up with, and put off. Try using one of these in the comments below. I'd love to see your sentence. If you found this helpful, subscribe for daily English lessons.